My name's Jonathan Tuppenny. In this video I'm going to show you how to transfer the data from Access into an SQL Azure database using the SQL Server Migration Assistant. We will now use the SQL Server Migration Assistant to transfer the tables from our Access database into the database we created in Azure. When you start up the Migration Assistant, you'll see the Migration Wizard. This will guide you to the process step by step, and I'll use it for this demonstration. Click Next to start. First, we'll create a new project to save the details of the migration. Choose a name or use the default name suggested. Select a location to save the files, and then select a target for the migration. Click Next to continue. Now locate the Access database with the tables you wish to upload. Click Add Databases and browse for your database. Click Next to continue. Next, you have the option to select which tables you want to migrate. We'll select all the tables to transfer. Click Next to continue. Now you need to log on to your Azure database. The server name will be the name that you selected, followed by database.windows.net. The database will be the name of the database that you created. You will then need to enter the username and the password that you selected for your server. Click Next to continue. Next, you'll see an option to automatically link the tables that you create to your Access database. I find it's better to do this later, so leave the checkbox unchecked. Click Next to continue. The convert process can take a while depending on the size and the complexity of your source database. Completed, you'll see a list of tables to synchronize between the two databases. Click OK to use all the tables. The load and migrate process will now start. When complete, you can click Close and exit the application. I hope you found this video useful. In future videos I'll be looking at some of the details of working with Access and SQL Azure databases. Please leave a message in the comments if there's a particular area that you would like me to cover. Thanks for watching.